Guys, YouTubers, this is another project. So this is the remaining deck, the lower deck for my backyard. So as you can see, I have a pergola here with lights. It was shown in my previous video. So now I'm putting up the joists. So soon I'm gonna put the flooring, and I made a picnic table over there. So I'm gonna put it in the middle, and let's see what else can I do. So also that's the staircase going to the upper deck, and I have that grill station there. So that's a separate video. I'm trying to finish it up, and then I'll show you on a separate video. Alright, see you on the next video.